What's up, everybody? I got your high five trade of the week right here. We're going to be looking at Workday, ticker symbol WDAY. We have a beautiful symmetrical triangle pattern right here, as you can see. Move myself over a little bit. We had once, twice, thrice hits, two top hits, and then finally this breakthrough that we had last week. And then we came back and perfectly retested this breakout area. And now you can see on this yellow line right here, we are moving up higher after that retest on that breakout. So, as well as we have a beautiful volume shelf, and we are starting to form our Williams consolidation box. And if you don't know what the Williams consolidation box is, it's essentially a strategy that I made based off the Williams percentage range that essentially takes in a box up top and a box down low. If it makes a box up high, Williams consolidation box I call it, and it stays within the confines of that box, then essentially the stock will continue to rise, as we saw here and as we saw here. And then there's also the bearish Williams consolidation boxes that are made down here, but we're not talking about that today. We're talking about a bullish Williams consolidation box. We are forming that. I do expect to bounce higher today and then finish creating this Williams consolidation box, continue to move higher. We also have my other trading strategy, which is the high five trading strategy. It is this red and green line, as you see here. That is my coded indicator to tell me when we are bullish and when we are bearish, when to go long, when to go short, as well as some other things. I take in the high five indicator as green being bullish. I take a cross of the yellow line, which is the smoothing line, being bullish. And then I also take into consideration a break of structure. So a break of a charting pattern, a volume shelf with a volume gap, and also the Williams consolidation box. All of those, all of that criteria creates my trading strategy, and informs me to go ahead and set up a trade and get into a position. So here we are looking at this position. We have a measured time frame of May 7th, 2025, with a measured move up to $333 essentially. Now, with swing trading right now, it's very difficult in the Trump era, and essentially, you want to have lots of profit targets, in my opinion, when you're swing trading, just because you are getting this massive, um, volatility and movements around. So you really want to have your stops be pretty short, and you really want to have lots of profit targets. So essentially we're going to be looking at profit targets at 294 due to look left target, 300 due to just a psychological level of being 300 and that being hard to push through, being resistance. And then 311 is the prior all-time highs. And then again, your measured move is 333. So four great profit targets. If we do get to the measured move, that's a 22, a little over 22% gain in this name, a little bit less if you bought in right here. So about 21%. I would honestly be a buyer here around 275, and I would put my stop loss about at a potentially a 5-1, or if you want to go a little bit more risky, you can go down to a 3-1 for no more than 7% loss. So risking 7% to win 21%. So whatever you want to do, it's your trade book. You obviously have to make your own decisions here, but this is a great trade that I found yesterday, and it's something that I'm really looking at getting into today, possibly. And I just wanted to share it with you all for the high five trade of the week. I hope you appreciated this video. If you did and you want more of these, let me know in the comments below, and also like and share and follow if you are already not following. I appreciate you all. Hope you have a great trading week, and good luck. Go make some gains.